State recorded 1,195 dengue cases, resulting in 3 fatalities and impacting 293 villages across 12 districts in Manipur from January 1st to October 7th. Dr. S. Priyokumar, the state malaria officer, reported that Imphal West accounted for 835 cases, followed by Imphal East with 240, Bishnupur with 42, Thoubal with 39, Kakching with 18, Kangpokpi with 5 and Chandel with 4. Senapati, None and Ukhrul each reported 3 cases, while Kamjong had 1. There were 195 new cases in Imphal West and 68 in Imphal East, with additional cases reported 7 in Bishnupur, 5 in Thoubal, 4 in Kakching, 3 in Senapati and 1 in Tamenglong from October 4th till October 7th. Currently, dengue has affected 293 villages, 133 in Imphal West, 40 in Imphal East, 28 in Thoubal, 33 in Bishnupur, 11 in Kakching, 4 each in Kangpokpi and Chandel, 3 in Ukhrul, 2 each in None and Tamenglong, and 1 in Kamjong. Preventive measures including fogging have been initiated in various locations to curb the outbreak.